Using IFTTT with Alexa allows you to create custom voice commands that trigger actions across multiple apps and devices. Here's how to set it up. Sign up for IFTTT. Visit IFTTT, sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. Connect Alexa to IFTTT. On the IFTTT homepage, click on Explore and search for Amazon Alexa. Select the Alexa service, then click Connect. Sign into your Amazon account and grant IFTTT permission to interact with Alexa. Create a new applet. Click on Create to start a new applet. Click If This to select Alexa as the trigger app. Choose a specific trigger, such as saying a custom phrase like "turn on the coffee maker" or "turn on the lights." Set the DAT. After defining your trigger, click Then DAT to select the action you want to occur. Choose the action service and configure it. Activate the applet. Review your applet and click Finish to activate it.